Okay guys, today we're going to talk about window cleaning and the difference between straight pulls and what I call fanning. There's lots of different names for it. Either way, you're going to wet the window. You don't want to get all the way to the top because again, if you touch the top, there's a good chance that that window is going to run after you've got it cleaned. So it's a nice day in Indiana today. The sun is not beating down too much. It's a nice cool day. So we can just wet the window normally. We don't have to worry about doing it in sections. If it's too hot, you take this window in bite sizes. So anyway, so window's all wet. Now I'm going to start and I'm going to fan this side. So the beauty of fanning is you can start anywhere in the window. Can I go at an angle? The goal is you're going to try and push all the water one way. So all the way across the top, and you're going to want that water running down this way. So you're going to keep your squeegee angled, okay? And you're just going to kind of go back and forth. Okay, all the way down to the bottom. You can close out at the bottom or at the side. This time I'm going to close out at the bottom. So to close out, go all the way down, and then you're going to lift up to push all the water down and wipe away. Okay, and then always detail. So I like to use my squeegee because it does a good job of getting in the corners. And then along the bottom, I will actually come back through with a wet microfiber after I get the whole window done and wipe this frame down. So that's fanning. Now, with the straight poles, I'm almost too short for this, so we're going to laugh if I can't get it. So you're going to stand on your tippy toes if you're short like me. You're going to, again, make that rubber dance at the top and make it lay flat. And you literally pull straight down, and at the bottom, lift up to close out. Okay? And again, all the way up and straight down. Okay? And then the final. Right, straight down. Okay. Then you're going to grab your rag and detail that window. And that's it.